everyone! Happy Valentine's Day! So, I know it's been a little while since my last video. I have been a bit under the weather and going through some things. I have been to and from Morgantown, which is about 2.5 hours from my house. Once already about my broken foot, and it's just been a huge mess. So, I had to take a short break. It wasn't planned or anything, and I hated to do it. But I just had other things I had to concentrate on, so I apologize, but I am back, and I am better than ever, and I'm ready to get back into these videos. This is my second video I'm filming right now. Well, not right now, but in the past, day or so, and they're already on my computer, ready to go to be edited, and then videos will start going up. Hopefully this one will be up today, because today we are doing a very fun video. It's one of my favorite videos to film every month, and it is my Boxycharm unboxing. So, we're going to open it up. I'm going to block the camera if I do it this way, so we'll do it over here. So, this month's theme is Afterglow. I love the card. It's all pink and sparkly, which are two of my favorite things. I love pink, it's my favorite color, and I love sparkles. They're also one of my favorite colors, if people count them as colors. Some do, some don't. My best friend Becca, well, she's not my best friend, she's one of my good friends. Her favorite color is sparkles. Anyways, let's move on. Can you tell I'm hyper? I've had a lot of sugar today. It's been a rough morning. Very hyper. Yeah. Alright, let's just get started. So the first thing I see, which I'm very excited about, is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is a full size. I've tried this many, many times. It used to be one of my favorite mascaras. I've not used it in forever, but I'm getting close to needing a new mascara, so this will come in handy. It retails for $24, so I basically got my money back for the box in this one little thing, which is great. And yeah, so I'm excited to have this. I hope I still love it as much as I used to. I used to be absolutely obsessed with it. Let me know if you guys used to love it, or if you still do, or if you still use it, or whatever. Let me know in the comments down below. Alright, but from the look of this list, I've not used any of the other things in here except for that, so I'm pretty excited about the other things. So the next thing on the list is this Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter, and it retails for $32. And it's in the color 126 Glow Up. So first of all, I'm obsessed with the packaging. It is so pretty. It's like a true mirror effect. But it reminds me of an old-fashioned picture frame. It's so pretty. So now, ooh, it's gorgeous. You see that glow? Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I think this is going to be one of my new favorite highlighters. This is so pretty. Let me put a little bit on. Oh my gosh, that glow though. Kind of obsessed. Wow. And a little bit definitely goes a long way. But it is so pretty. I'm obsessed. Normally I don't go for gold highlighters, but I really like it. It's super blinding. And that retails for $32, if I forgot to say that. Alright, next we have from Grande Cosmetics. It's the Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lip. And this retails for $25. I've never heard of this brand. Does this have something? Maybe. No, I don't think it does. I was going to say, does it have something to do with Ariana Grande, but I don't think it does. No. I don't know. If you guys know anything about this brand, let me know, because I've never even heard of it. Ooh. The packaging is very, sleek and pretty. I'm very much obsessed with the look of this. Wow. I like the sides, how it's got the little window where you can see the color. It smells like ramen noodles though. No joke, it does. That's weird. I want to swatch it. Ooh, it's so pretty though. I have it in the color River Clay. They don't put the color on the tube, which well, for me personally, if I unmeltable, that would kind of bug me. I don't want to keep the packaging just to know the color name. And this is a semi-matte, so I guess they have different, like they must have like sheer, matte, semi-matte. You get what I'm saying. These are all the colors that they have, it looks like. There's some really pretty colors. I might have to check into those. Comfortable to wear, noticeably fuller lips, plumper, and doesn't sting. It's vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. Well, I might just have to check this out. If you guys know anything about it, let me know in the comments, because I've honestly never heard about it or anything. That's kind of interesting. Okay, so then from Touch and Soul, I have the No Problem Primer. I have so much trouble saying those where they, like, I want to say problem so bad, but they, like, take a word and replace the front of it. Like, I have so much trouble saying those words. It's got a nice little pump. It's pink. It's a glass bottle. It's a really nice bottle. And it retails for $18. Creates a seamless canvas for your foundation. Smells very clean. It has green tea in it, it says. You can definitely get the green tea scent, though. It smells very nice. I'm excited to try that out. I don't use primers very often, but I'm definitely going to give that a try. So then, the last thing we have is from Tola, and it's the Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Masks, and they retail for $24, and you get 2 of them. Oh yeah, you get 2 in each pack. Ooh, it's holographic. It's hollow. Anyone channeling their inner Christine? I know I am. So you get 2 sheet masks in each pack, and you get 2 packs. So you get 4 sheet masks, which is a really good deal. So that's everything I got. I'm loving everything I got this month. I'm really excited to try everything I got. If you guys want any reviews on any other products or anything like that, then please let me know in the description. I was going to say in the description box. Please let me know in the comments down below. Also, any other videos you'd like to see, then let me know down there as well. Be sure to check out the description box if you want to get your own Boxycharm. I will have a link to it down below. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you all have a lovely Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.